In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS to GoHighLevel using AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add your styles so you can fine-tune fonts, colors, spacing, and layout details with confidence, all inside the GoHighLevel builder. First, sign into your GoHighLevel account and head to your main dashboard. Make sure you have access to the location and website you want to edit. We'll be adding CSS at the page level, which is perfect for targeted tweaks without affecting your entire site. On the left sidebar, open the Sites section. Inside here, choose Websites. This takes you to the list of websites in your account. Find the website you want to customize and select it. This opens the website workspace where you can manage content and styling for that specific site. Next, move into the Pages area. This is where all individual pages for the selected website are listed. Pick the page you want to style and click Edit. The page builder will open, showing your layout and elements so you can see exactly what your CSS will affect. In the builder, look for the paintbrush icon. That's the shortcut to the custom CSS panel. Click it to reveal the editor where you can type or paste your styles. The CSS you add here applies only to the page you're editing, which is great for precise control. Now add your CSS. If you're not sure how to target an element or write a rule, use AI to speed things up. Describe what you want to change, like button color, heading spacing, or mobile font sizes. Then copy the suggested CSS and paste it into the editor. Keep your code clean and intentional. Use specific selectors to avoid unintended changes, add brief comments so future edits are easier, and reach for important only when absolutely necessary. If you're making mobile adjustments, include responsive rules with media queries so your design looks great on all screens. When you're happy with your styles, click Save. Saving commits your changes to that page. If something doesn't look right afterward, just return to the CSS panel, refine your rules, and save again. Small incremental changes make it easier to pinpoint what works best. That's the full process. Open Sites, choose Websites, select your site, go to Pages, edit the page, open the paintbrush icon, add your CSS, and save. With a little help from AI to draft selectors and rules, you can move much faster while keeping your design consistent and professional. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting polished, on-brand styles in GoHighLevel.